What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a case for the iPhone 16 Pro. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can get a look at it and go over the features. All right, so once we get this out of the box, you can see that this is super clear. Really, really clear. So this is going to be a clear case for the iPhone 16 Pro, and it's going to be MagSafe compatible. This is supposed to be, one of the strongest or the strongest MagSafe on here. Also, the protection on here is double shielded. It's actually really lightweight, but it has thick protection on here. You also have protection on your buttons. Now, to get a better idea of how this case looks, let's go ahead and put this on the iPhone 16 Pro. So we're just going to take our phone and we're going to slide it in the case. I usually like to put the buttons in first. And it snaps in perfect. And you can see the layer of protection. You see it has that protection on the buttons, and it also has that cutout so you can access your quick controls or your camera controls. So if you notice it from the side, you see that it is raised above the lenses, and that is great. So if you do happen to drop your phone, your lenses can be protected. You have your MagSafe on there. This is going to be one of the strongest MagSafe cases. So that way, if you have other accessories, you won't have a problem with this attaching to it. Now, what I really like is how you can see straight through this, and that way, if you like the color of your phone, but you want to keep it protected, you can still, enjoy your phone without, having a different color case. So if that's your style, that's something that you're looking for, this is going to be the perfect case for your new iPhone. Another big feature is that you don't have to worry about it yellowing. So this is going to be a good quality clear case, and you don't have to worry about that, ugly yellow appearance that happens on a lot of these clear cases over a period of time. So guys, this is going to be the iPhone 16 Pro clear MagSafe case. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.